Welcome to J.Has.Heart.
Well, ultimately, the flexibility that J.Has.Heart brings to the school in terms of after-school programs, in terms of in-school programs, in terms of staff professional development, in terms of parent workshops, in terms of student workshops, high school, SAT, elementary, preparing to become a responsible student. Everything that Mr. Hall brings to the table, there is already a plan. He has experience in all of these fields. It has been nothing but a simple process for all of us. I've been really we've been thought partners in the whole process because, as a principal, I have my ideas, and Mr. Hall being with our students and understanding our school community, it has been nothing but an easy transition for all of these things and to connect all of them to make sense as we build this, and we actually added a lot of these features to our school improvement plan because these are all important things to our school community. And I'm very proud to work with him because it has been nothing but flexible. Time management has been really great in terms of meeting expectations, meeting our goals, meeting deadlines, and just the needs of our student and staff has happened really amazing with the whole program. So I encourage anyone out there to really put do your research and see. This is a testimonial of my own accounts. I'm very free to, if you would like to call or email me, I'm very open to that as well. But this is a program that will make a difference in your school. Thank you.
Welcome to J.Has.Heart.
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 Welcome to J.Has.Heart.